Hey everybody, so I wanted to show you something. A couple weeks ago I bought a beef head and I bought it with the intention of cooking it for my family. I mean, it's a beef head. It's, you know, eyeballs, tongue, the whole head, the brain stem. It has everything. I'll show you guys right now, but it started to get a little frostbitten, and I just really didn't have the time, and I don't have the time because my mom is sick, and so I'm traveling in and out of the state, and I don't have the time right now to prepare it. I feel like I wanted to have like a big feast for my family, so since I don't have the time right now, and I think I'm gonna need like, I don't know, I feel like I need like a bigger oven and a bigger workspace to prepare this beef head. I just don't have the time to do it right now. So I gave the beef head to my dogs, and I just wanted to show you guys how much they're enjoying it. I only paid $15, and I think this beef head, it's got to weigh at least 20 pounds at least. But anyways, it's frozen and it was super heavy bringing it out. Hold on a second. Let's see if I can flip you guys around. So as you can see, my dog is thoroughly enjoying this beef head. For some reason it's not focusing. But there we go. But yeah, this thing is massive. My dog, she's a half pit, half Labrador breed, and she's pretty big herself. So compared to her, look at how big that beef head is. But the interesting thing is that she went for the back of the head, like where the brainstem is, which is really interesting. That's the first thing she went for. I don't know if it was just easier for her, or if that's just maybe instinctual. Maybe I think she's chewing on a little bit of the cheek meat right now, but it was just really interesting to see what she went for first. It was definitely a learning experience for me, and the kids saw, they were really grossed out, but yeah, she's really enjoying this. She's not sharing right now with her other fur babies right now. But this beef head, like I said, cost me $15. It comes with the tongue. It's frozen solid right now, but she's still enjoying it, and I'm really glad that I gave it to her. The eyeballs, I mean, it is an intact beef head. Yeah, I'm just curious. Hey, Pussy. She's wagging her tail. She's so happy right now. Her whole body, she was just wagging her entire behind because she was so happy. Hey, and the other two little dogs, they're sad because they can't come and have a taste yet until she's done. She's the alpha female, and she gets to eat first. But yeah, I'll definitely do this again, and I hope to document it next time when I do this for my family to prepare the beef head. My mom did give me an old Mexican recipe, and so when she's all better, I look forward to doing that for my whole family. We'll have a big old party and cook a beef head, and but for now, I think I'm gonna keep buying these for my dogs, maybe every 2 weeks, at least once a month, because it's really affordable, and from what I hear, the meat from a beef head is actually really yummy. It's supposed to be really delicious. The other part that I hear is really good is going to be this area right here, which is the beef, the cheek meat. I hear that's really tender, so we'll go for that next time. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh, she found the piece. Hey, Goosey.
Oh, she ate the eye too!
She is so happy. Look at her.
Eat, honey. She ate the eye!
Okay, leave her alone.
She ate the eye! She ate the eye!
Watch out, please.
Oh my god.
Honey, eat! Honey, eat it!
Hey, Mike.
There's
Knock it
another
out.
eye!
Yeah, that's.
Please, honey.
Look at her. Look what is she going for? What is she going for first?
Straight to the neck with the brain.
The brain.
Yeah, if we get Resident Evil dog, I blame you.
Honey was tugging at it earlier,
Those
but
are
she's
two.
scared.
No. You leave her alone.
Two!
When she's eating, don't put your hands right there.
Hey, Brown, that's a good fight.
Go.
No, let's get the two!
Okay.
Oh, Lucy's a beast.
I know, she likes that.
Yeah.
Goosey Coo.
And look, the nose is right there.
Where's the nose? Show mommy where
Right
the
there.
nose is.
Right there.
Okay, watch out. Where's the nose?
Right there.
Where's the eyes?
One right there.
Mhm.
The other one's
You
on
see the
other
tongue? Where's the tongue?
I don't know.
It's inside the mouth. Look at. See it? Look. See right there inside?
Yeah.
So gross and disgusting. I can't
Oh, I feel it. Oh, I touched the tongue. Gross.
But she is
You know
liking
what's
that.
Hi, Biscuit. Hi.
I can eat
You can
lemon
have some,
taco,
Biscuit.
but this is disgusting.
You think so?
Yeah. I mean, it's just
Come here.
gross.
Well, because you're not used
Hustle.
to it. But
Yeah,
Take some.
I know. It's gonna
Take
take
some.
time.
Take some.
the next one will roast the next one.
Hi, Lucy.
Oh, thank you. Let me know. I'll go.
Well, I'll before we'll.
Nick, if you cook this, I will leave the house, go find a wife, and I will never come back.
Oh, biscuit.
I'm hungry.